Hey folks, today I'm going to do a quick unboxing of this SATA dual hard drive docking station. It's a USB 3.0. It fits 2.5 and 3.5 trays slash hard drives to get into this docking station. Alright, so let's open it up and see what's inside. I've gone astray. I might be crazy. Plug for that, and then a USB 3.0 cable to connect for this unit to connect to a PC. Alright, so the unit itself, it's like a little mini toaster. I like to describe it as. You can see it's pretty small because it fits in my hand. Then you have your inputs on the rear. You have your quick copy button on the far right. Then you have your actual USB 3.0 interface, and then you have your power supply adapter right there, or port. Okay, you see the model there, EC-HDD2. And you see it has an adapter for your 3.5 drives, and then also for your 2.5 drive. So as you can see there, you can see your SATA connections right there on the inside. So the cool thing that it's all set up for you. Good thing about this is it works with PC and Mac, and it works with SSD as well as 3.0, and is also plug and play. So that's great to have there. Alright, just real quick, just showing you guys a walk around of this product. I'm going to clone a drive. Got my drive listed there and ready to get the data transferred over. Alright, thanks for watching.